When young players move to a new country, many of them cannot speak English well in the beginning. But something interesting happens over time. Take Cristiano Ronaldo as an example. When he first came to England as a teenager, he did not feel comfortable speaking English. Imagine being young in a new country and not understanding everything around you. It was not easy for him. But every single day he listened, he practiced, and he slowly started to speak. After some years, he was standing in front of cameras, speaking with confidence, answering questions, and connecting with fans. That change did not happen in one day. It came from daily effort. Now, think about Lionel Messi. For many years, he mostly spoke Spanish in interviews. But when he moved to a new club in a different country, he had to adjust again. At first, he depended more on his own language. But step by step, he began to use more English words, especially when speaking to international audiences. He did not wait to become perfect. He started speaking little by little. These two stories show us something powerful. You don't need perfect English to begin. You just need the courage to try. Now imagine this situation. You arrive in a new country, new people, new language, and suddenly you must train, play, and speak. This is the real life of football players. English today is like a global language in football. Players from different countries come together in one team. Coaches give instructions in English. Teammates communicate in English. Without understanding the language, it becomes very difficult to play as a team. And now I want to hear from you. How are you learning English? Write your way of learning English in the comments.